This is why you need Bitcoin. Imagine a world where your money isn't controlled by banks or governments. Welcome to Bitcoin, your digital freedom in a nutshell. Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies, isn't just digital cash, it's a revolution in how we think about money. Unlike the dollars in your wallet, Bitcoin doesn't answer to any central authority. That's right, it's completely decentralized. Now picture a giant digital ledger, that's the blockchain. It transparently records every Bitcoin transaction across a network of thousands of computers. Pretty secure, huh? And here's the gold rush part. Bitcoins are mined. Miners solve tricky math puzzles using powerful computers, and bingo, they earn new Bitcoins as a reward. You can buy, sell, or trade Bitcoin on various platforms, use it to shop, or keep it as an investment. But remember, while it offers more freedom and lower fees, Bitcoin can be a wild ride with its price ups and downs. See, and there you have it, Bitcoin demystified in a minute. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more quick crypto insights. See you in the next one.